To our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how tomato ketchup is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
Clear the blockage near the grate.
On it. We need to speed this up.
Before production begins, every ingredient is tested for purity and sweetness in our lab.
Temperature rising critical, engaging scram sequence.
Confirmed. Stabilizing ratios now.
The mixture is then refined to remove skins and seeds, ensuring a perfectly smooth texture. Precision Systems add our secret spice blend to exact specifications. A rapid cooling process locks in the flavor, color, and quality. Finally, our signature label is applied. Human experts perform a final check before packaging.
how tomato ketchup is made. 2 Prep paid from start to finish. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries. Would you like me to generate a thumbnail description for this ketchup factory video as well?